Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to use the latest Uber Driver app, how to start a trip and how to complete it. So we're just going to go ahead and go online by tapping on the Go button right here. We're going to wait for a request to come through and we'll take it from there. So we just got a trip and we tapped on it to accept it. Let's go ahead and click on the navigate button. That's going to open up my navigation app, which is Google Maps, but you can select Waze if you have that installed. You can select that in the settings.
If you guys call it work and it's my fault, that's gonna suck.
Then you're gonna get marked up.
It'll be all my fault. Okay, guys.
Hello.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good.
Empire Hookah?
Yeah.
And as you approach your destination, the Uber app will pop up and you will slide on the red bar to complete and tap on the rate rider button and you're done.